And Rex, right now we're going to go to Perry from Macon. Hi, Perry.
It's Perry.
Hey, Perry.
Hi.
Hi. Go ahead with your question.
Hi, it's Perry.
Perry.
Terry.
Yeah.
Perry.
My question is, I was in an accident, this week, Monday, actually, and I had my car 24 days, and, it was the other driver's fault, but I'm being told that the insurance company does not have to pay for my damages to my vehicle because the driver was an excluded driver. I've never heard of this ever before, and I don't know what to do.
Well, Terry, let me ask you a question. Do you have insurance yourself?
Yes, but I did not have full coverage. I only had liability.
You did not have collision?
Nope.
Wow.
Terry, we're seeing more and more of that, and probably there was not a written exclusion, and you can probably get around that.
You do need to talk with a lawyer, though, and let the lawyer get in touch with the adverse insurance company and require that they prove the driver was, in fact, an excluded driver. And if it was an excluded driver, I'm afraid you're out of luck. You can sue that driver personally if the driver has the wherewithal to pay for your damages, but the insurance on the automobile will not be applicable to your property damage loss if it was an excluded driver. Now, there could have been a negligent entrustment by the owner of the vehicle. There are a number of things that you might want to talk to. You should talk to a lawyer.
We have seen a number of cases in the last 6 months on this very same thing, and what is happening is the insurance companies are taking the position not that they were an excluded driver. Well, they're saying you were an excluded driver, but in reality, they were not excluded by the insurance policy. They're just saying they were not a listed driver on the accident report, even though they live within the household. And if they had permission to drive, then they would be covered. And so that's what's happening. We've seen probably 3 or 4 cases like this in the last 3 or 4 months.
But Terry needs to sit down with a lawyer and let somebody contact the insurance. And most lawyers will, you know, give you the benefit of a call if it only involves your property damage without charging you a fee on it, just to get you the right information to be able to process your own claim.
That's right.
Okay.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by